Today I am reviewing Sonos Ace noise cancelling headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Sonos Ace wireless noise cancelling over-ear headphones are not just another pair of premium headphones. They are a statement of precision engineering, refined comfort, and cutting-edge sound design. Sonos, known for its exceptional home audio systems, has now stepped into the headphone world with something truly special. The Sonos Ace offers an experience that blends luxury, performance, and innovation in one sleek package. Let's start with the design and comfort. The Sonos Ace immediately stands out with its minimalist, elegant build. The white finish gives it a clean, modern aesthetic that fits perfectly with the Sonos design language. When you pick them up, you'll notice the build feels premium but lightweight, just over an ounce in weight. The materials are carefully chosen for all-day comfort, featuring plush memory foam ear cushions wrapped in soft vegan leather. The headband is balanced perfectly, making it comfortable for extended listening sessions, whether you're on a long flight, working at your desk, or relaxing at home. Sonos designed these headphones to fit every head shape and hairstyle comfortably, and it really shows. Now, let's talk about sound quality, which is where the Sonos Ace truly shines. Inside each ear cup are custom dynamic drivers that deliver an incredibly rich and balanced sound profile. The clarity, depth, and detail in every frequency range are exceptional. Bass feels powerful yet controlled, mids are clean and warm, and highs are crisp without becoming sharp. The overall sound signature leans towards natural and immersive, perfect for every genre, from cinematic soundtracks to energetic pop or deep electronic tracks. And when it comes to immersion, Sonos takes it to another level with Dolby Atmos and spatial audio. These features give you a 3D sound experience, where music and sound effects move naturally around you, creating a true sense of space. Watching movies or playing games with spatial audio on feels like stepping right into the scene. Plus, dynamic head tracking ensures the sound moves with you, keeping you centered in the audio space, no matter how you move your head. For those who demand complete focus, the Active Noise Cancellation, ANC, on the Sonos Ace is world-class. It intelligently blocks out ambient sounds, from airplane engines to office chatter, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your music or calls. And when you need to be aware of your surroundings, transparency mode brings the outside world back in with just the right balance. Sonos has also prioritized connectivity and control. These headphones feature Bluetooth 5.4 for an ultra-stable, high-quality wireless connection. You can easily pair them with your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or any Bluetooth-enabled device. And with seamless device switching, you can go from watching a movie on your tablet to taking a phone call without missing a beat. What really makes the Sonos Ace stand out is the TV audio swap feature. If you own a Sonos soundbar, like the Arc, Beam, or Ray, you can instantly transfer your TV's audio to your Sonos Ace headphones with a single tap. Imagine watching late-night movies with theater-quality sound without disturbing anyone around you. This integration is a perfect example of Sonos' smart ecosystem at work. Battery life is another area where Sonos impresses. You get up to 30 hours of playback time with active noise cancellation enabled, which is more than enough for a full day of use and beyond. Even better, a quick 3-minute charge gives you up to 3 hours of playback, perfect for those moments when you need to head out in a hurry. Charging and wired listening are handled via the USB-C port, which supports both data and audio. And yes, Sonos includes both a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C to 3.5mm cable, along with a premium protective carrying case, all inside the box. Controls are smooth and intuitive, too. The content keys slider on the side of the ear cup lets you easily adjust volume, manage playback, or answer calls. It's subtle yet practical, fitting perfectly into Sonos' design philosophy of simplicity and elegance. If you value audio quality, comfort, and smart functionality, the Sonos Ace is a serious contender among the best wireless headphones on the market. They combine lossless audio support, Dolby Atmos, active noise cancellation, and luxurious comfort in a way few competitors can match. Whether you're an audiophile, a frequent traveler, or someone who simply loves premium sound, the The Sonos Ace delivers a listening experience that feels both immersive and personal. To sum it up, the Sonos Ace is a pair of headphones designed not just to play music, but to make you feel connected to every note, every word, and every sound. With their beautiful design, intelligent features, and incredible audio performance, these headphones set a new benchmark for what premium wireless sound should be.